It is May 15th, and here is a band opening on 10 meters to the Caribbean islands, and it's open to the station right here is in Puerto Rico. Whiskey Papa 4 Sierra Kilo.
Tango, Robert, you are 5'9". Okay, Bob, actually you are 5'9" plus. Thank you. Whiskey Papa 4 Sierra Kilo, QSF.
As you can hear, is a very big pilot.
Kilo Mike 4 Charlie, 5'9".
Radio's a Yaesu FT2000 Delta, 200 watts, to a 3 ohms on 10 meter.
Papa Mexico, Papa again. Aquí está el Kilo Echo 4, Papa Mike, Papa.
Another band, this is the same band opening, and here's a station in the Virgin Islands, the United States Virgin Islands. KC Kilo Papa 2 Bravo Hotel. He's weak, but you can still copy him.
Kilo Papa 2 Bravo Hotel, you are there.
Hello, this is still May 15th or May 16th in Zulu time. This is a new station. This is a station in Maine. Also, there's the same band opening. K1GUP. Kilo 1 Golf Uniform Papa. And here you go. Listen. 28472.5. Yes, he left. I don't hear him anymore. He came back on frequency, so here you go.
Good copy up here in the state of Maine. That's right, name is Jerry. 1010 number here is 2828-2828. I guess you're collecting, so I can give you our club station too here. That is number 69644. 69644. Yep, hearing lots of good stuff. I heard the Hawaiian station in there, not very strong. That's why I had the amp on now. I thought maybe I could get him, but things changed, and some others came on the frequency and other QSOs and covered him up, so I gave up. So we're doing the kilowatt on now and a 5-element monobander at 80 feet. KZ3T, K1GUP.